Hi, this is Mitchell Hudson, and I'd like to go over a little bit of JavaScript here. We're going to do some simple JavaScript examples. I'm going to use Coda for this example. So here's Coda, and I'm going to work in this folder here, and I'll make a brand new Coda document. Okay, so let me save this into my folder. Put it in this folder, and I'll call it example 1. So I'm just making a standard HTML document here. It's just a plain text file. You could use any plain text editor, Dreamweaver, BBEdit. I'm just using Coda today. That's the tool I have. And I'm going to use the clips option here in Coda to set up my basic HTML. You could have just typed this in if you liked, or use the basic stuff that's given by Dreamweaver or whatever. So here's my basic document there. And the first thing to understand about JavaScript is that JavaScript can be written within the document, and all the JavaScript code is actually written within the script tag. So what I'm going to do is I'll give my page a title. And then inside the head here, I'll add the script tag. And I'm going to choose the type attribute and set it to text JavaScript. Text/JavaScript. Okay? So that means everything within this script tag is going to be in the JavaScript language. So there's my script tag. So, outside of this script tag, you would be typing HTML and whatever else would be in your regular HTML page, but inside this script tag you're going to type in the JavaScript language. So everything that goes in here is going to be in JavaScript. There's several things you can type in here. Let's get started with a comment. So anything in JavaScript that begins with 2 slashes is a comment, and a comment is ignored by the JavaScript interpreter. So I'll type a comment in here. I'll say, let's call it JavaScript example number 1. Okay, and I'll save my page. I'll use the preview mode in Coda. You could also open your page in any web browser. Okay, and there's my page. I don't have any errors and nothing goes wrong, so my JavaScript is working. This comment here doesn't do anything, so we don't see anything happen on the page. So the comment basically is ignored, and we can put notes or comments or just little things in there to help us understand our script. So I'm going to put a label in there. Okay. If we want something to happen, we can type some JavaScript that'll do something. I'm going to use the alert command, and the alert command opens up a small dialog box in your browser, and it can look different from browser to browser, but it's basically the same thing. And this alert box is basically going to pop up and then print a message, and you can put whatever you want in here for the message. I'm going to wrap my message in the quotation marks. Make that a little bit larger there. How about that? And inside this these quotation marks here, inside the parentheses there, following alert, I'll put in hello world. So now the idea is when I test this page in my browser or the preview mode in Coda, then a small dialog box will pop up and it will print the message hello world in the dialog box. Let's test that. Oh, there's my dialog, JavaScript hello world. Now again, this dialog here could look different from browser to browser. So you may see something different in different browsers, okay? But it'll basically be the same thing. Sometimes it pops up from underneath the title bar, or just the look of it will be different, okay? So anyway, so there's our first JavaScript, and it seems to be successful, okay? So remember, JavaScript is just plain text. It's written within the script tag. The type for the script tag should be text JavaScript for the browser to recognize the JavaScript language within the tag. So everything, once I've set this to JavaScript here, everything inside there should be written in the JavaScript language. So we can put as much JavaScript as we like here. The script tag can actually be written anywhere in the page. I put it in the head of my document, and that's a good spot for it. You know, it's organized. But there is nothing wrong with putting the script tag within the body of your document, or you know, anywhere else on the page. Really, it has to be within the HTML tag, and it probably should be within the head or the body tag. You know, in most cases, but you can basically put this thing just about anywhere. The rules of XML, which, you know, the HTML tags follow, require that the document have one top-level tag, and for an HTML document, that's the HTML tag. So we can't put anything outside here, or we'll be breaking that rule. So that's the reason we can't put it outside HTML. Okay. So anyway, so there's your script tag.